Research shows that vaccine preventable diseases are significantly higher in the indigenous population as compared to other Australians. Vaccination is one of the best ways to eradicate health inequality among Indigenous Australians. Immunization is vital to prevent all vaccine preventable diseases and associated morbidity. However, Indigenous people are not taking immunization regularly, and some of them are reluctant to take immunization due to lack of knowledge regarding the vaccines. The existing misconceptions about the vaccinations among the indigenous population are: first, it makes the child sick since they fail to recognize symptoms like a fever as the process of producing antibodies in the body. Besides, misconceptions about the MMR vaccines is that it may cause autism. And lastly, Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander believes that non-Indigenous health workers using immunization as a process of sterilization, thereby destroying Aboriginals' rights. Strengthening of community action through two-way knowing process. The community action is important as it helps in driving an overall change in the community. A change in the mindset of people towards immunization is essential. This requires participatory efforts and a driven community action for health promotion and beneficence. Hence, non-Indigenous health professionals need to use culturally appropriate methods and strategies to reduce the health inequality among the Indigenous population, such as two-way knowing. It is a process of simultaneously creating awareness regarding immunization among the Indigenous population and the health professionals, regarding the community's culture and why Aboriginals are reluctant to receive immunization. The ways of overcoming barriers to Aboriginal access to immunization are: conduct vaccination awareness program in the community through yarning groups, Aboriginal health workers, and with the involvement of well-trained interpreter. Besides, the healthcare professionals and Indigenous community must be educated to establish the immediate needs of immunization and vaccination. This will ensure that the people in the community participate, collaborate, and comply with vaccination and immunization policies. In short, healthcare professionals should try to understand the Indigenous people more culturally and empathetically rather than the usual professional approaches to promote health and well-being, and try to save the Indigenous community and their generations. Thank you for watching and have a good day.